In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to enable liquid glass icon on your iPhone iOS 26. First of all, make sure to update your iPhone to iOS 26. And now long press on your home screen, empty space. Here tap on Edit. Tap on Customize. And here you get this clear icon option. Just select clear. And your iPhone, all icons will be liquid glass, just like this. And now I'll show you how to enable liquid glass effects for your iPhone system. So as you can see, the liquid glass effect is not showing. To enable it, go to your iPhone settings. In settings, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Tap on display and text size. Here you have to disable reduce transparency option. And now on, you will be able to see the liquid glass effect just like this. Thanks for watching.